Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you the professional methods used by mechanical engineers, architects, and plant designers to inspect a 3D model in seconds using AutoCAD section plane command. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create live section view, inspect hidden geometry, troubleshoot design issue, and speed up your engineering workflow. I am using a 3D solid model. This workflow applies to almost any AutoCAD 3D project. The section plane command only works correctly with 3D solid, so make sure your model has already been created. How to create section plane? We have to click on solid. Here we have to click on section plane, and after that we have to select the selection plane around which you want to create a section view in AutoCAD 3D. I select on this point to this point, and you can see that the section view is created, but it is not showing. We have to change few settings. Click on this section plane view, click here on display, and here we can change the color. I will select green. The section is showing solid. We can change this one to a line. Click on pattern here. Click on ANSI 31. Select OK. Again click OK here. And here we have to give the hatch scale. I will give 10. And I will change this color to cyan. OK. Now you can clearly see the AutoCAD 3D section view. If you want to extract this section view into 2D, how we can extract? Again click on solid, and here click on generate section, and here we click on 2D section or elevation. Now we have to change the settings. Click on section settings here again, and here we have to again change the color. I will change this one to red, and I will change the hash pattern. You can select any hash pattern as per your own requirement. I will change the color to yellow. Okay. Now create the section view. Select enter, enter. The hash is not coming properly, so we will do it. Can create hash section. Select section setting here. Now we have to change the hatch scale to 10. Okay. Now hatch is coming properly. You have to select the point on your screen. Select here, enter, enter. Our 2D section view is created from the AutoCAD 3D section view. To align the section view, and type here 3D rotate. Now select this section view, enter. Click on this red one and give the angle 90. Now the view is aligned here. So this is the half section. If you want to make any joke section, which I showed you earlier, and this type, how we can create such type of section view here. Again, select on this solid, click here on section, again select section plane, section view here. Now again we have to like this, we have to add a jog here. Now select on add jog, select the section plane and select this one, and you can see that the jog is created. Click on the top view here, click on the section plane, and from this arrow extend this one and select this one to end of this one and this one to this line. You can adjust your view according to your requirement. Same way here, double click on the section plane here and click on change the color. I will change this one to red. Change the hash pattern. I will select this hash pattern. Okay, I will make the scale 10 and this one to cyan. Okay, the hatch is created. So in this way you can create job type a section view in AutoCAD. Again, if you want to extract this one, click on generate section here, click on 2D section, setting here, change the color, change the hatch pattern as per your requirement, change the scale to 10 and this color to green, okay, and create. Now you press enter. Now you can see that only the cutting section is showing only a hatch pattern here. Again, rotate this one, 3D rotate. Select this view, enter. And the section view is created. And double click this one if you want to delete these red lines here. And if you want to hide the section, click this one, right click, isolate, and hide object. So you will not see the section plane in AutoCAD 3D, but you can see in 2D here. So in this way, we can create any section plan in AutoCAD 3D.